This is the season for gift giving, so why not use Consumer Reports for free to research before you buy? This is how. Go to the newburglibrary.org website and then select the Research and Info tab. From here, select Research Databases. Then Databases A to Z and C for Consumer Reports. Select Login outside the library. And from here, you're going to get another screen that asks you to put in your barcode. I don't have to do that because I'm already inside the library. So say you're interested in buying a tablet. You'll get all kinds of information about the different kinds of tablets and what they're used for, and also a buying guide. It's really very useful, and we hope you take advantage of it.